Hey, so my name is Alana. Welcome to my channel. AGF Design Studio is my freelance design business that I run out of my bedroom in Brooklyn, New York. I created this channel as a way to share tutorials and tips and product reviews and like a creative behind the scenes into my freelance business and practice. I am really passionate about building creative communities, so I just really want to build something here with you guys. Subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and we're gonna have a fun creative time together. I can't wait to build this community with you guys.